Haridwar. Haridwar is the holy pilgrim center of the Hindus. Haridwar is one of the 13 districts of Uttarakhand and is situated in the southwestern part of the state. Uttarakhand was carved out of Uttar Pradesh in 2000 and is located in the foothills of the Shivalik Himalayan ranges. It is known as Devbhumi and is one of the most visited states in India. Overall, the climate of Uttarakhand stays pleasant throughout the year. Haridwar is situated at a height of 314 meters from the sea level between the Shivalik Hills in the north and northeast and the Ganges River in the south. It is one of the most beautiful places in India. Hari means Lord Vishnu, so Haridwar stands for the gateway to Lord Vishnu. To reach Badrinath, one of the Char Dhams with the temple of Lord Vishnu, many pilgrims start their journey from Haridwar. Haridwar is also known as Hardwar, meaning gateway to Lord Shiva. Haridwar has been an ideal place to start a pilgrimage to Mount Kailash, Kedarnath, Gomukh, Devaprayag, Gangotri, Yamunotri and Rudraprayag. Gomukh is the source of river Ganga, where Ganga is known as Bhagirathi. Har Ki Pauri, meaning footsteps of Lord Shiva, is considered the most sacred site in Haridwar. Haridwar is also known as the home of Sati Devi and the palace of her father Daksha Prajapati. In ancient times, the town was also referred to as Gangadwar, the place where the Ganges descends to the plains. Haridwar finds a place in the Vedic hymns relating to the 7 holy dhams or Saptapuris. The sloka goes like this. Ayodhya Mathura Maya Kashi Kanchi Avandika Puri Dwaravati Chaiva Saptaida Mokshadayika. The Puranic name for Haridwar is Mayapuri. The Garuda Purana enumerates 7 cities as giver of moksha. Haridwar is said to be one of the 7 most holy Hindu places in India, with Varanasi usually considered the holiest. A kshetra is a sacred ground, a field of active power, a place where moksha is obtained. In the scriptures, Haridwar has been variously mentioned as Kapilasthana and Gangadwara apart from Mayapuri. It is also an entry point to the Char Dham, the 4 main centers of pilgrimage in Uttarakhand: Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri and Yamunotri. The Hindu texts also mention that Agastya Rishi undertook penance here with the help of his wife Lopamudra, the princess of Vidarbha. Sage Kapila is said to have an ashram here, giving it its ancient name Kapilasthana. According to Hindu Puranas, the legendary king Bhagiratha, the great-grandson of King Sagar of Suryavamsh, is said to have brought the celestial Ganges down from heaven through years of penance in Satyuga for the salvation of 60,000 of his ancestors from the curse of the saint Kapila. Thousands of devout Hindus bring the ashes of the members of their family in the hope of their salvation. Lord Vishnu is said to have left his footprint on the stone that is set in the upper wall of Har Ki Pauri, where the holy Ganges touches it at all times. The Ganges emerges from the mountains to touch the plains here at Haridwar. The water in the river Ganges is mostly crystal clear and generally cold, except in the rainy season when the soil from upper regions flows down into it. A dip in the Ganga is refreshing and exhilarating and is believed to cleanse oneself from one's sins. In Hindu traditions, the Panchtirth, 5 pilgrimage centers within Haridwar are Har Ki Pauri, Kushavat, Ghat in Kankal, Bilvatirtha, Neel Parvat, Chandi Devi Temple and the 5th one is Maya Devi Temple. It is believed that the heart and navel of goddess Sati fell in the region where the Maya Devi temple stands today. It is thus sometimes referred to as a Shakti Peeth. There are several other temples and ashram located in and around the city, namely Bholanath Sevashram Temple, Daksheshwar Mahadev Temple, Pavan Dham, Bharat Mata Mandir, Sati Kund, Neeldhara Pakshi Vihar and Bhimgoda Tang are a few of them. Situated at the top of Bilva Parvat is the temple of goddess Mansa Devi. Mansa Devi means the goddess who fulfills desires, Mansa, and is a popular pilgrim and tourist destination, especially because of the cable cars which offer views of the city. The main temple houses two idols of the goddess. Consumption of alcohol and non-vegetarian food is prohibited in Haridwar. Climate-wise, Haridwar is very sober, the temperature touching a mark of a maximum of 34 degrees Celsius during daytime in summer. The winter days are much cooler, maintaining an average of 8 degrees Celsius. The Haridwar Mahakumbh Mela is held in every 12 years. Haridwar is one of the 4 sites of Kumbh Mela, the others being Prayag, Trimbak, Nashik and Ujjain. Har Ki Pauri. This sacred ghat was constructed by King Vikramaditya in 1st century BC in memory of his brother Bhartrhari. It is believed that Bhartrhari came to Haridwar and meditated on the banks of the holy Ganges. When he died, his brother constructed a ghat in his name which later came to be known as Har Ki Pauri. The most sacred ghat within Har Ki Pauri is Brahmakund. The evening prayer Arati at dusk offered to goddess Ganga at Har Ki Pauri, steps of God Hara or Shiva, is an enchanting experience for any visitor. A spectacle of sound and color is seen when, after the ceremony, pilgrims float diyas, floral floats with lamps and incense on the river commemorating their deceased ancestors. Thousands of people from all over the world do make a point to attend this prayer on their visit to Haridwar. On the night of Dasra or a few days before that, the Ganga Canal is dried in Haridwar to clean the river bed. The water is restored on Diwali. It is believed that on Dasra, Ganga Mata goes to her father's abode and returns after Bhai Duj or Bhai Phota. It is for this reason that the waters in the Ganga Canal in Haridwar are partially dried on the night of Dasra and the waters are restored on the day of Bhai Duj or Bhai Phota. Ganga Aarti. Each evening at sunset, priests perform Ganga Aarti here when diyas, that is floral lamps, are set on the water to drift downstream. A large number of people gather on both the banks of river Ganga Mata to sing in her praise and glory. The priests hold large fireballs in their hands, the gongs and the bells in the temples at the ghat start ringing and the chants flowing out of lips fill the air. People float earthen diyas with burning flickers and flowers in them as a symbol of hope and wishes.